pretty soon that noise will be different. Stay tuned. So excited. Views on view. God damn, that shit's fucking nice. Are we here at Muffler Kings? Excuse my hair, I got bed hair right now. I forgot to wash it. Anyways, got the charger right here. Stock girl, not stock boy. The Muffler Kings, shout out to Muffler Kings. I heard they do a really good job. And we're gonna go ahead and get this muffler shit on. You see they already got some work going on in there. How do you feel, baby? How do you feel?
I don't know yet, it didn't happen.
But just know though, like this sound that you have right now, it's gonna be way different. Just by cutting the muffler. It's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned for that. Alright, so we're in the Z right now, and we just got the car dropped off, and they're currently working on it. They said it's gonna be like an hour and a half type of wait, so we came to In-N-Out. You know the vibes. And it says do not block entrance, and we're blocking entrance. Oh.
I'm taking over the vlog because Debo's blocking the entrance, so he has to adjust right now. Do you know how to drive a JDM? Oh, there's a cop. Oh, shit! Oh, shit.
I don't know what happened here in front of us, but there's like 3 cops. And one was like driving really close by me, and I was like...
Okay, I'm gonna ask you some questions since this line is mad long. So, top 3 dream cars.
You go first.
No, this is your vlog, I'm asking you.
You go first.
I'm the reporter here.
Have fun. GTR for sure. GTR. For my muscle, it will be the Demon, the Dodge Demon. And then I do have a classic muscle car, which is the Mustang Eleanor. If you guys know what that is. That is one of my favorites.
So this is what's going on. I think there's another cop pulling in right now too. You can see the lights right there.
Yeah, so update on the cop chase. I guess yeah, the dude is dipping on them. What the hell?
Just following
They're just falling on the sidewalk.
He's dipping.
Oh, he running. Oh, he gone. Come on now. A weird sequence to the vlog. Alright, top 3 dream cars. I think I already said it. Your turn.
A station wagon.
When someone so beautiful like this gets upset.
Stop!
What she looks like. Alright, so we're back right now. The car is done. I'm hoping. But we're gonna go do some transactions, and then we'll give you guys a little startup. I know it's loud as hell, but now it's gonna be louder. Alright, we're all done. There you go. Oh, boy. You ready to hear your new cold start?
No.
Go ahead and start it. Oh. Oh shit. Damn. Sound clip right now on the freeway. Oh my god. Holy shit. That shit's fucking loud, yo. Oh my god. Shit. Oh, she's scraping. Oh yeah, this is the real sound right here. I'm just saying, is that worthy of a thumbs up? But I know this is supposed to be the Hemi's video, but come on. and by unfortunately, I was gonna shoot more content, but stuff popped up and had to take care of some important things. So if you guys want to see more content with the Z and my girl's Hemi, so back to what I was saying. If you guys want to see more content with the Z and my girl's Hemi, just loud as hell now. She enjoys it. That's the best part. You know, not only me enjoying the sound, but she likes how it screams louder. But yeah, if you guys want to see more content, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and definitely comment down below what you guys want to see with the Z and the Hemi. If you guys want to see us roll, or you want to see us do anything like challenge us, I'll even do like a Q&A or something like that. But yeah, man, just want to let you guys know. Have a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't want to go to work right now because I'm tired and it's hot and I'm melting in this car with the AC full blast. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoy.
Shit.
Have a blessed day.
I've been on your ass for 20 days and I've been riding around this bitch looking for David. That nigga tryna take my money cause I made it. Little pussy.